A girl like you should wear a warning. She's dangerous, I'm falling. There's no escape, I can't wait. Give me it, baby, give me it. You're dangerous, I'm loving it. You can't come down, losing my head, spinning all around. Can you feel me now? With the taste of your lips, I'm around. You're toxic, I'm slipping under. With the taste of your poison paradise, I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? And I love what you don't you know that it's toxic? Don't you know that it's toxic? It's getting late to give you up. I took a sip from your devil's cup. Slowly, it's taking over me. Of your lips, I'm on the ride. You're toxic, I'm slipping under. With the taste of your poison paradise, I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? And I love what you do. Don't you know that you're toxic? But don't you know that you're toxic? With a taste of lips on the line. You're toxic, I'm slipping under. Taste of your poison paradise. I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that? Don't you know that you're toxic for me? Don't you know that you're toxic for me? Don't you know? Don't you know? Don't you know that you're? Don't you know that you're toxic, baby? I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? Mamaya na lang, bago umalis. Sige. Alright. Yung next song ko, kinanta ko to sa Pilipinas Got Talent Season 1. Semi-finals piece ko to. At the reason why gustong-gusto yung song na to, which is song ni John Legend, is dahil ang story ng song na to is tungkol sa mga tao na, di ba, nag-meet kayo, di ba, nag-fall in love, first kiss, di ba? Tapos, kakasal kayo, live-in kayo. Pagkatapos ng mga ilang years, medyo mabubore na kayo sa isa't isa. Alam mo yung feeling? I mean, I'm sure may mga tao dito na hindi nangyayari sa kanila. Pero may mga tao na nabubore talaga sila sa mga kasama nila. Di ba? Pero pagkatapos ng song na to, malalaman niyo kung bakit gano'n. Ordinary people lang tayo eh. Normal na tao lang tayo, hindi tayo Superman, hindi tayo Superwoman, hindi tayo nagkakamali ang mga kasama natin. Itong song na to is dedicated sa lahat ng mga may problema sa relationships sa time na to. Ordinary People by John Legend.